Hi guys, I'm just gonna show it to you how to microwave the chicharon, because I bought this to my friend, and then I'm just gonna put in a microwave. Okay, then all you have to do is to put in the microwave. Okay, ayan, diba? Ang gagawin ko is ayan, yan yung ginagawa ko. Ayan, just put 4 pieces and then maybe 2 to 3 minutes anyway. Ayan. They will expand. Ayan, lumalaki na sila. I put 3 minutes. Pero don't let them to get burned. Kasi nasusunog din sila pag if it's too much in a microwave. Nilagay ko sa aking microwave ng 3 minutes. Ayan, it's already 1 minute and 45 seconds. So, hopefully, we were hoping. Yan. Di ba lumalaki sila, di ba? So clever, isn't it? Di ba? Ayan. Oh, di ba lumalaki sila? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, so amazing. 4 yun nilagay ko sa kanila actually. 4 pieces. Like what I said, they will be expand. Bango. Masarap to mga madam sa munggo or sa pinakbet, something, you know. Sarap to. Sa Kabanatuan, I think ang tawag sa kanila is Inantala, something. Ang sarap. Ayan, lumalaki siya, diba? So anyway, guys, it will be end up soon. We're having a 13, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it.